America has the fast of
This
8
fastest-
billion people in the world. We
fastest
got
man.
the fastest man in the
The
world.
fastest man in the world.
And y'all
Period.
can't do nothing about it.
Mr. Shannon Sharp, sir, Noah Lyles is still not the fastest man in the world. He's a world champion and an Olympic champion. There's a difference. Everything else is opinion. Usain Bolt is still the fastest man in the world.
Usain Bolt can't run no more. It might be a while before y'all see the top of the podium because Noah Lyles ain't going nowhere.
Kishane Thompson is still the world fastest man this year. Usain Bolt is the fastest man ever. Not only the greatest ever, the fastest ever. Until Noah Lyles beat that, then we can call him such. So the whole world was stunned yesterday by the men's 100-meter final between Kishane Thompson and Noah Lyles. Of course, as you see, Noah Lyles came out as the winner after a photo finish, and they had a press conference after the games. And here's what Noah Lyles and Kishane had to say about their race.
You know, he was out there in lane 4 and I was in lane 7. And I couldn't really see what was going on over there. So I just had to keep, running like I was going to win it. And, something said I need to lean. And I was like, I'm going to lean because, it was that type of race. And it was crazy as Ralph Mann was like, before I left for the Paris, he was like, this is how close first and second is going to be away from each other, and I can't believe how right he was.
Now, in this press conference, they barely asked Kishane Thompson anything about his race or his form or how he's feeling.
Yeah, pretty much the same thing that Noah said. It was really a close race, because I couldn't really see Noah based on the lane that we were in. So I saw that I cleared who is to my near left and my near right, but I couldn't see him. It was that close. So when we both crossed the line, as he said, he came to me and said, "Hey man, I think you got it." But I was like, wow, and I'm not even sure because it was that close.
But I have to say, after this race and after this press conference, I have to give Noah credit. I don't know about you and a lot of Jamaicans, because a lot of Jamaicans are still in their feelings about this race and what they feel. This is a logic sport. It's not about how you feel about the race. It's about what it is. And Noah Lyles came from 5th and out-dipped Kishane at the line. That's the facts. We have to give Noah Lyles credit. He talked the talk and he walked the walk. But big up Kishane Thompson. This is his first major championships and he came 2nd.
I think Kishane performed very, very well, given the fact that, as I said, he had been having hamstring issues after the semifinals.
But as you see in this last part of this race, he choked up. He choked up for the last 20 to 10 meters. He lost his form. He spoke about this in another interview. But let me know what you guys think. Kishane Thompson said he wasn't proud of his performance or his time, and his coach thought so too.
And I think it was very creditable and courageous of him to run the way he did, give him all that. But I think he was disappointed in his start, and I certainly was as well.
Noah Lyles is not the fastest man in the world. The 4x1 is coming up. The men's 4x1 is coming up. Who do you see lining up? Who do you see winning the men's 4x1? We know Oblique Seville seemed to be injured and Kishane Thompson have some revenge. He wasn't happy with his performance in the men's 100 final. So let's see how it goes.